Hello student, welcome to Brilliant Tutorial online classes. Students, in today's session we are going to discuss one of the mathematics topic which is fraction. Fraction in today's class we will discuss the basic information about the fractions. I hope you learnt in the previous class little bit information about the fractions. So let's begin to understand the the basic information about the fractions in today's class. So first of all, the fraction, what is the meaning of the fraction? The fraction, that word came from the Latin word fractus. The fraction, that word came from the Latin word fractus. So fractus means what here? Fractus means broken. Fractus means broken. Students, here that means the fraction is a number which is not whole number. The fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. The fraction, repeat once again, fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. So that means a fraction is not whole number, that is the part of the whole number, and we can write the fraction like 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 9 by 6, like this, etc. So these are the examples of the fraction number. Here the fraction number having two numbers, one is here upside and downside. So this is what we call here this number we call as a numerator. This number we call as a numerator, and below number we call as a denominator. The fraction having two numbers, one is numerator and denominator. So that means what you understood here, the fraction consists of two numbers, one is numerator, denominator. What is fraction? Fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. So this is a fraction meaning. That means already we discussed that the fraction meaning is that word came from the Latin word fractus, that means broken number. What is our conclusion here? Fraction is a broken, which is not the whole full number. For example, if you have 1 rupees, then you need to distribute 1 rupees among your 4 friends with you also. Then each one get how much amount each one get when you divided 1 rupees. Then each one will get the 25 paisa. That means 0.25. Then how you express that in the fraction? As I told you, you have 1 rupees. You need to distribute among your friends with you. That means totally 4 friends. So 1 by 4. So that means each one get the how much money? Only 0.25. When we convert this fraction into decimal, each one get the 0.25. That means fraction is a not whole number. It is a division number. Any number. It is that fraction is a number that represents the part of a whole. If 5, for example, you cannot take another example. If you have 5 rupees, then you need to distribute that 5 rupees again 4 people. Then you also totally how many people? You and 4 your friends. 4 plus 5, 5. Then each will get 5, that is 5 out of 5. But you need to distribute that 5 rupees to 4 people. Then 5 by 4. 5 rupees is a whole. That is, you need to make it how much part? 4 part. 5 rupees is a whole. That you need to make the how many part? 4 part. This is a fraction. I hope you understood this fraction concept. Clear? Now let us move the next the types of the fraction. Children, the fractions are mainly classified into 6. Mainly classified into 3 only. The fractions are mainly 3, but again 3 are there. Totally the fractions, the fractions are classified types of the fractions. The types of the fractions here. The first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction, and fourth one is like fraction. Fifth one is unlike fraction. Sixth one is equal fraction. Equal fraction. These are the totally 6 types of fraction. So let us discuss one by one detail. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is nothing but when the numerator is smaller than denominator. Here numerator is small and denominator is big. Numerator is small. For example, you can give the example 3 by 4, one of the fraction. This is, we can say this is the which fraction? Proper. Why? Because your numerator is small and denominator is big. That means if the fraction having numerator is small, denominator is big, then we can say it is a which fraction? Proper fraction. Clear? You can give more example like 5 by 10, 7 by 14, like this. Any example you can give. Totally what is the, repeat once again, numerator, the proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is the proper fraction. So let's move rather improper fraction. This opposite. What we studied the proper fraction, that opposite improper fraction. Here numerator is smaller than, denominator is smaller than the numerator. That is opposite. Here numerator is bigger and denominator is small. For a 9 by 4, here you can see numerator is 4, numerator is 9, denominator is 4. 10 by 8, numerator is bigger, denominator is 8. So you can do the more example. I hope clear this. So let us move the third fraction, that is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is nothing but here the fraction having whole number with proper fraction. With the combine of the whole number and proper fraction, which is called mixed fraction. Now I will give the example. See, 4 integer of 1 by 2, 5 integer of 3 by 4. You can observe here 4 is the integer, that is whole number, and with one proper fraction. In front of the 4 here, which fraction is there? Proper. You can see very carefully here, this is not improper. So what is the method here? If this is the, how we can say this is mixed fraction? When the whole number combine of whole number and proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Combine of whole number and proper fraction. You can see 5 integer of 3 by 4. How you can read this? 4 integer of 1 by 2, 5 integer of 3 by 4. I hope clear this. Now let us move the which fraction now? Like fraction. This is clear, this is clear. Now like fraction. So like fractions are nothing but the fraction denominator is same but numerator is different. The fraction denominator is same, numerator is different. Such fractions are called like fraction. Such fractions are called like fractions. For example, we take 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10. So such fractions are called, like here you can see the denominator all are same. So unlike fractions are opposites, here numerator is same, denominator is different. You can write this, isn't it? Numerator is same, denominator are different. That is the unlike fraction. Like fraction opposite is unlike fraction. Proper fraction opposite is improper fraction. Here mixed fraction is little bit different. So which fraction left now last? Equal fraction. Equal fractions are nothing but here the fraction neither numerator same nor denominator same. Here numerator denominator both are different, but the fractions having equal values. Fractions having equal values, such fractions are called equal fraction. How this? I will show the example. For example, 5 by 10 is a one fraction and another fraction 6 by 12. So both are not having the equal denominator and equal numerator. So here, but we can say this is the equal fraction. How? When we divide this 5 by 10 and 6 by 12, we will get the same answer. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. This answer we got 1 by 2, and 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So this also we got answer 1 by 2. Both value came here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So for that reason we can say this is the equal fraction. So we will discuss further how we can identify by this equal fraction by doing the cross multiplication also. So we will discuss about this fraction continue in our next online class, next video class. Thank you.